I am Parul Garg, and this is my first ever video. First ever means first YouTube video, because I'm not very much into making videos, so I'm just trying, and this time it is about iPhone 11 Pro Max. So that is why I could not resist myself and I had to make a video. So as you can see, my 11 Pro Max is with me in my hands. And yes, I have waited for so long for this mobile to come, because it has been a couple of months that I have been waited, because I am actually living in a very remote place, and since we are not having any Apple store here, I have to purchase it online. And I really want to share with you all that this is a birthday gift to me from my husband, and my birthday is on 24th of this month. I wanted to tell you that actually this is my first iPhone. This is my first ever iPhone, and I have never been so obsessed with iPhones, but this time I have to take it, because 11 Pro Max is a beast. As they are marketing, the Apple people, they are actually marketing it as a beast, and it is really a beast in every sense, in camera, in battery backup, everything. And the camera is magical. You cannot ignore it, I'm telling you. And night mode, this time they have introduced a very interesting part, that is a night mode. And I'm telling you, if you own this 11 Pro Max, I don't think so you will be fearing the darkness, because in darkness also you are going to get awesome mesmerizing pictures. So actually way back, I'll tell you something. Way back in 2012, I went to China, and my colleagues and my friends, they were so obsessed with iPhone. Everybody there was purchasing one iPhone. So I was just thinking that what is so awesome and what is so important about this phone. So that time I was not very much into purchasing iPhone or gadgets. This time also I am not very much into gadgets, but iPhone 11 Pro Max, I'm telling you, I'm watching its videos and I'm following it all over in the tweets, and the experience which people are actually having with these, because it has been launched last year in September, I think. So it's been 3 to 4 months it has launched, and from last 2 months I am actually trying to purchase it, but because of the epidemic situation which has been in all over in India, I could not purchase it. I am actually living in a remote place, and we are not having any Apple store, so I need to order it online, and I had actually purchased it from Flipkart. So I wanted to tell you that basically iPhone 11 Pro Max, it comes into 4 colors: space gray, midnight green, which they have just introduced, and gold and silver as usual. And talking about the variants, it comes into 3 variants: 64GB, 256GB, and 512GB. If you are confused between gold color and space gray color, I really want to tell you that without any second thought, you should be going with space gray. And one more reason I wanted to have this color was previous mobile of mine was in gold color, so I wanted to take a little, changes are always good. So I wanted to take a space gray color, and I am not at all disappointed. I'm telling you, this color is so good. I have watched its video, because I was really confused between gold and space gray, so I have watched lots and lots of videos, unboxing videos for space gray color, just to confirm myself that whether it is a nice color or not. But I'm telling you, when I'm seeing it physically, it's even more beautiful. It's really magical. It's mesmerizing. Okay, so let's start the unboxing of iPhone 11 Pro Max. I've already opened the box. I've already installed everything in my iPhone. I've started using it. It's around 18 to 24 hours I've been using it. Opening it, and so excited. Ta-dang! Just have a look. iPhone 11 Pro Max. Can you see it? See, I told you, it's so sexy in the color. It's magical. I'm telling you, space gray color would not be disappointing you. It is so mesmerizing. The color is so good, so damn good. Just have a look at it. Can you see it properly? Okay. So I'm keeping this mobile aside, and we'll see what are the things we are getting in this. Okay, so manuals are there. See, manuals are there, and okay, and see, 2 Apple stickers we have got in case you want to use it again. So this is good. This is really nice. Okay, so I'm keeping this also, and this actually I've already, as I told you that I've already done the unboxing part. This has the SIM ejector. Okay, and this is where we got the SIM ejector, and it's really very important because you will be using it for ejecting your SIMs. And okay, so I'm keeping this also here, and yes, I want to talk to you about SIM. It has actually dual SIM in it, but one will be the physical SIM, and the second SIM you will be using has to be a eSIM, and eSIM can only be of Airtel or Jio. So this information is for the people who are basically first time users of iPhone, and I think they might not be knowing about the iPhone eSIM. So okay, so this is about the eSIM. Now we are getting 18-watt fast charger. And talking about the battery life, I've really heard very good things about the battery, and it takes around 2.5 hours, because I've also experienced it. Yesterday I charged it, and it takes around 2.5 hours, and your battery life will be full in it, and you can use it for 48 hours. That I have not experienced because it's only 24 hours I've got this mobile. But I have actually gone through a lot of experiences which people have shared about 11 Pro Max battery. So this is the one, a fast charger, and I think battery life you're going to enjoy. So keeping this aside, now comes this earpod. This is the wires, with wires they are. Actually, this is little disappointment because as you know, it is very expensive mobile. I think the most expensive one ever in iPhones, or I think maybe in all the mobiles which have been launched till date. Till now I have not revealed the price in which I have got it, but I have got it in 1,32,000, and so that's what I am telling, that it's very expensive, and with such expensive mobile we'll be expecting a AirPod. I think they should be giving a AirPod, but it's okay, I am having my personal one, so it is completely fine if they are not given. Okay, so as I was talking about the prices, I wanted to tell you that actually the price is see, the price is 1,25,000, as you can see. And since we have sanitized the box, little some things have not properly visible, but I think you can see the price 1,25,000, but I have got it in 1,32,000. There is, just see, they have mentioned that they have revised the price with GST, with and they have given us this iPhone in 1,32,000. So I have to pay 7,000 more for this mobile, and it's okay. I was so obsessed with it, and I cannot actually wait. So I was getting it into 7,000 more. So I thought that's completely fine. I'll just get this. And I have purchased it from Flipkart, and I wanted to share my experiences with Flipkart. Was not very much good, I'll say, but this time actually I was very much reluctant or resistant about whether I should be purchasing this expensive iPhone from Flipkart, because that is not very trustworthy according to me. So but they have done a great job, and I must say that they have done a great job. I actually ordered this mobile on 12th and I have received it on 18th. And we were also ordered 4 covers from Amazon, and I think I'll soon be getting those. And I really want to tell you that those are really beautiful iPhone 11 Pro Max girls cover. I'll soon be sharing a video in which I'll be telling you how they look and how they are actually fitting my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I would like to conclude my video on this note. And as I told you that this sweetheart is a gift from my husband. I really want to thank my husband Avinash. I'm so thankful to you. I'm so lucky to have you and this iPhone, and this is the bestest gift ever. I'm so happy. You can see my happiness. And okay, so I would soon be sharing a video in which I'll be sharing my experiences of this 11 Pro Max. And if you like this video, please like and press on the like button, comment in the comment section. And as you know, this is my first ever YouTube video. Just don't hesitate to encourage and boost my morale, because if you like it and I'll get more and more likes, I would be more enthusiastic to make another video of this 11 Pro Max. And I really once again I want to tell you that this is really worth it. This is expensive iPhone and this is expensive mobile, no doubt, but this is worth it, dude. I'm so happy to have this. And space gray color, you are magical.